Hey guys, CJ here. Today we have the Skin Elements Men's Intimate Wash. So this is designed for the intimate area, which you could figure that out. And this is designed to just clean it, make it smell good, make it smell fresh, smooth, and ready for the day, essentially. It's made with pure tea tree oil, calendula, and aloe vera extracts. And some witch hazel, which is like a astringent. So it is going to clean. It's going to help with like any fungal or prevent any antibacterial stuff that will happen down there. Just makes you feel clean and feel fresh. The smell of it is very mature. I do enjoy it. It reminds me of going into a barber shop, but toned down a little bit. So it does smell really, really good in my opinion. I do enjoy the smell. It is pH balanced, it's soap free, and then basically it's like a foam, soapy foam, so it's going to be like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to wash your area for 25 to 45 seconds in a circular motion, let it sit, and then rinse it off, and then you're pretty much smelling good and clean. So you can see it, it's just like a nice foam. I can smell it right now and it smells fantastic. I do enjoy it. I think this is a great product. I do like to keep that area nice and clean. I do use Manscaped products, etc. So this is a nice addition to the routine. So hope this video helped, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.